Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Market up or market down. The market was up today, so we'll check the brokerage account, and nothing happened. Right? We were up in all positions today, but still holding a negative balance. Bag holding as usual. So that's it for the public account. For the main account, nice quick day today. We had an options contract expire for the $27 strike. So somebody made $100 per contract. So kudos to them. I got my premium. I'm happy as well. Day trade account, I was buying short. This will be something, you can see how it was hitting. Boom, 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 boom. But this will likely be something I cut out. Probably going to go back to work at some point. And I think short side is great, but I think it's something you have to watch. And I just won't be able to do that. So look for that. Also, we did have actually 2 sales today on the swing trade side. So we'll go ahead and find those. And we will be putting money into the charity. So I'm a happy camper. And we're getting some progress. Walgreens paid a good dividend. As we catch up here on the account, the first one that sold was Tapestry. And we'll go back to the daily chart. And you can see what I was looking at. We were up over the 65. You can see it's only 62, but it came back down. And I just see all of this resistance. And remember that resistance is not an exact price. It's a zone. Okay. So just for a little reference, I got out at 43.27. So pretty good on the day's range. We'll see what happens. I did go ahead and get this dividend as well. So pretty good overall trade. And let's go ahead and figure out exactly the returns here. Looks like we bought it on 8/19, so less than a month, right? So keep that in mind. Normal size was 7.1% on the return, so very, very nice gain. And I'm happy to take that and move along. So annualized, that's 103.72%. And that's how I use this kind of money to get alpha on the markets. Second one we did today was General Dynamics. And this is one put me over the edge here for the charity. So I was probably could have continued to hold. When you see these top wicks like this, when it breaks above, if it does, it'll likely go pretty fast. So, I'm probably missing out on some money here, but it was right around that. I can't find it. There it is. I'm probably missing out on some money, but I don't care about that. I always sell too early. Maybe it's a fault, but I like flipping as well. And in order to flip, I need to have capital, right? So while there wasn't much going on the flips, I was sitting in these swing trades, and the 2 strategies actually worked pretty well together, I think. So this was 4.22% return. Looks like we had this one almost 2 months. So 27.51% annualized. So not a crazy trade. I'm happy to get out of it, take my profits, and move on. So let's do a little quick math here, and we'll figure out how much is going into the charity. We'll put the orders in. Okay. So let's take a look here. Got the eBay lighting up. We'll likely do some stuff with cards. I'll probably break another box. So if you're into that kind of thing, that's linked down below in the second channel. I think I'm going to go ahead and just put in the QQQY until I get it to kind of a higher level. It's not a recommendation. Remember, make all of your own financial decisions. I'm not your guru. But I think we're just going to go with that until, I don't know, until it's enough to pay all the bills. Why not? For the spinoff, TRP is still the lowest one. That's the new one we started. Maybe stupid. I don't know. Maybe just impatience. But you can see it's ran up really nicely since we bought it. So that is just fine with me. And, you know, a good problem to have is that when it spins off, there's not much of a write-off, or you actually book a gain. So it almost becomes like a risk-free trade, in my opinion. So that's why I like to do those things. Yeah, and it looks like we've got a couple spin-off things going on. We do have a few other stocks that are in profits. So we'll go ahead and take a look at those if you like, and then we'll have a great weekend. First one is Microsoft, and it just didn't look like it was ready yet. So here we are at 61. You see all of these resistance points, right? And it's a zone, right? So it's from down here to up here, right? It's in this zone. But higher low, higher high, that is an uptrend. So I'm just going to hang out. Nothing big there. And I don't mind holding Microsoft. Just, they get a lot of my money every year. So Dell's just a lot of sideways here. It went against us, but it's just not ready. But we are in pretty good profits. And we'll check out a few of these. We're not in huge profits, but sometimes when the stock goes against you, when it gets back to break even, it can spike the RSI, and I just go ahead and get out on those. And you can see here, we're in profits, but likely getting out up here about 30 bucks. So we'll wait for the RSI and follow the system. Nothing crazy going on there. And same thing here. We're in profits here, but you have a higher low, so you would expect a higher high, right? So we'll wait and cash in on that. We do actually have enough cash flow to take a flip position now, so be on the lookout for that. Our current flip position that we have on the books is a disaster. We can take a look at that if you like. It's not the right one. I was going to say that looks pretty good. That's more like it. Yeah. So you see the 30 RSI where we were getting in, and it's down lower. But nothing to worry about. I'm a bag holder. That's where we got the name for the channel. And we're just letting it do its thing and watch the dividends roll in. So life is good. We're up pretty big today, getting alpha on the market. So I hope you are as well. And thank you all for watching. Leave me a like on your way out. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new. And I'll be doing some stuff with the cards on the second channel if you're into that. I did check the lottery ticket today. I know I've been a little out of sorts. So no winner there. I'll be looking to get another ticket for the Saturday draw. And then we kind of just chill until the end of the month when we can do statements all over again. So I'm looking forward to that. Little big picture. Obviously, we are same price we were at in July. So we done nothing. We had a wiggle, but we went nowhere. And so just keep in your mind that with the public account, the last month was insane. We're pulling real cash out and increasing our equity positions exponentially, compounding it, doing the things, and it's working. It's just slow, but it works. So thanks y'all for watching, and have a great weekend.